Changing your primary email on Show Bankshares is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email information effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Show Bankshares website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your primary email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISWAC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.